What's up, guys? Chris here. Welcome to my new video. Today, I'm going to be showing you how do I make an outro. It's pretty easy, guys, so enjoy the video. So, guys, I use Scratch to make my games, my outro, the thumbnail for my music videos, and all for the animations and for a lot of other stuff. This basically this is the code for the thanks for watching sign. Here are the sound. Here's the sound. You may hear this at the end of some of my videos. That's the sound for it, and this is the coding. As this is so basically the volume is just 80%, and it's at the beginning the sign is pointing in 90 degrees, and there's the song being played. The song is the Foster People Pumped Up Kicks Bridge and Law remix. The scripts here, they are for rotation of the thanks for watching sign. See that triangle thingy in the background? This is the rotation script. This is to change color. I could have just used it forever, but this followed by something is infinity in Scratch, so it counts as forever, and it'll be keep on changing color. We'll change color. So this is the color effect. The background also changes its color. So guys, Scratch is a very good program for coding and stuff. It's really easy to use, but it takes a while to learn. If you're wanting to be a programmer, start with Scratch. It's really awesome. I love it. And that's just the first step. I made the outro. I recorded with Bandicam, and now you'll see what I do next. I use Bandicam, and there's also an app called Bandicut. See, here are the three options. I'm gonna use join. You click here. Here I have all my stuff, like the Bandicam. Let's just do let's say maybe the Alexa video.
Alexa, is
You know that video, guys. It's one of my previous videos, my second previous video. It's really funny animation. Well, now what I'm gonna do is that I have a recording of my outro. I am going to paste it in here. So after the video ends,
Alexa,
I like spaghetti.
and as you can see, the video ends in here. What I'm going to do is press start. And you press enter. Then you press enter, and it'll be loading up. And then, guys, you'll have the video with the outro. You can also have an intro if you want. It's pretty similar. But now, guys, now I'm going to teach you how to add an end screen. You know, when you watch a YouTube video, you may see like recent video or video for viewers, or like your channel icon. What you basically do is, it's a very simple trick. I Guys, if you go on YouTube and then you press on your video and go on the editor, on edit video, go on the editor, and there should be a button at end screen. Well, I've already added an end screen, so it won't show up. Like this is well, basically, guys, I've already added an end screen, so I can't change it. Well, guys, and that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something, and see you in my next video. Bye, guys.